Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker, and I'm back with another video. Now this is a video that I haven't done in a mighty long time. I'm going to be going into the outlet. Now I'm not necessarily up here for Nike per se. For those of you that don't know, I am an officer. So your boy needs some kick doors. I need some new boots, some tactical boots. So I'm going to go into Under Armour and see if I can find something that I'm comfortable with taking out of the store. And I didn't plan on making a video today, but since I'm up here, maybe I'll stop at Nike. Maybe I'll even show y'all something in Under Armour. I don't know. But if you're new around here, and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it.
Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, but rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Alright, so they got one pair of tactical boots in the entire store. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, this will go right through a door. Kick door 7s. 50% off. About to jump on it while I can. So that's what we doing today. Then we head over to Nike, maybe. They ain't restocked nothing at this outlet in Ohio. Nothing. Ohio outlets are the worst, but people lined up like they got pandas in here. Trust me, I guarantee you there are no pandas inside this store. All right, like I told y'all, I just walked in the store. I ain't looked at nothing yet, but I'm forewarning y'all, there's not gonna be anything in here. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and I'm gonna show y'all how I'll give it up. What the hell is this? The crochet Air Force Ones? Oh, not the Class Project Air Force Ones. Got the G Fazos, you know what I'm saying? GS, the mids as well. Or the highs. I can't even tell if those highs when they little like that. Ain't got nothing else in here. Oh, in GS sizes. Got some like Luka, Jordans. What's those, like 36s? I don't know what number they on sale. Look like they're running an additional 30% off for the hash wall this evening. I'm not gonna waste y'all time. I'm just gonna go straight over to, there you good. I'm gonna go straight over to the adult sizes. You got these 7s in here. I don't even know what size that is. Let me see if I can pull this out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, these are super cheeks. 30% off. I don't know what size that is. Some 95s. Bunch of cut the grass sneakers. Look like some ACG type. I don't know what that is. You feel me? Got the Monarchs out here. $55, 30% off. I don't know if we want to be repping the Buckeyes after what just happened today. I'm not going to waste too much more of you guys' time or my time. Y'all see what it is. And it's super crowded back here. Starting to get a little claustrophobic. My anxiety is about to be on 103. So ain't no need to waste any more time. Y'all can see that there's nothing to see from this little bit of footage that I'm giving y'all. So y'all see how Ohio give it up, man. Absolutely trash.
I can't.
That took no time.
Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Y'all seen what that was, and I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed for my state. I'm embarrassed for my city. But it is what it is. It was an impromptu video anyway. I was coming to get, you know what I'm saying, my Officer Curry's. So I'm gonna end the video. I love y'all. Obi!